What's up, guys? I'm doing a 2006 Pacifica Chrysler. It's a 3.8 V6. I'm doing the valve cover gaskets. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is remove this PC line, the air hose from up top. Remove it. I put mine off to the side over here. And then it's going to be 8mm bolts to remove the valve cover. After doing that, when you get your valve cover, you're gonna want the cover and the grommets. You would pull the bolts away from the valve cover, and in order to remove these, you're going to get a pick and get under. Make sure you know which direction the grommet goes on. You're gonna get a pick, go from under, pry it out that way, and then when you go and put it back in, you want it to seat after the blue gasket. When you get all 8 grommets replaced, you want to put the valve cover back on. You're going to go ahead and torque down all 8 bolts starting inwards and work it diagonal. And then I will put the torque spec inside the description. After that, you're going to want to connect your air hose back along with this clip, that clip. If you disconnect any of these, make sure that they went back in the correct order. And now we're going to work on the back side, which is going to be easier if you work from the passenger, by the passenger rear firewall. You're going to be able to see a lot of the nuts better from here. And just like that, it's removed. You're going to remove it by lifting it, tilting, and then coming outwards from this hole right over here. Alright, so now we're going to replace the grommet and the gasket. After you fully remove all the grommets, replace the grommet and the valve cover gasket, you're going to go ahead and put the valve cover gasket back on. Like I said, I will put the torque description below, and that's about it.